to be continued, no? Diamo one day. Actually, the day eh. Hindi one day, hours of bonding. So 16 hours of bonding, no? From the time na yan off kita from work, so tagi kami ara. So, hindi kita anda? Hindi kita anda?
Why don't you speak Chabano?
What? Hindi kita anda? Wow, hindi kita anda nga? You answer.
Why are you speaking Chabano?
Chabacano? Ang masal problema, no? Eto mga bata ara, Englishero. Pero, where are we going now? Sorry. May ganikal, no? So, yabla kami din natin na anda kami di Visoria. Bisita kami di si you, little bro. Okay? Kabar, amoy tamingkel, chene kami pa-surprise, no? Chene kami pa-surprise ko nel diamond younger sister na who is taking the last day of the board exam. Who is taking the exam now? Ate, tita Lovely, right? Okay. So amo yakal, no? Man-surprise kami ko nila. Hopefully na pwede kami maskin pakimodo man-surprise ko nila kasi syempre pressure din taking the exam, no?
Going to Divisoria.
Mansalubong kami kun Lovely Lego alas 4. Pero Lego pa alas 4. But then man-update kami kun sa guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Hello. So, ready kami para mansundo kunal di amo na, no? Kunal di amo examine, ha? Yan. Okay. Sige na. Kay ano ya, Kel? Kay Kosakel? Almost done niya sila. Sige. Bye-bye.
No more flooding. Just a little water.
Umenta kami member on board, oh. Yun. Okay. So, un batalyon kami mansundo contigo ba? Para we'll be there to todo after the exam. Man happy kita. Okay, esperan to ko na muna para liya kami. Celebrate good time, come on. Tadura pakat labo. Labo.
What is this?
Look who's coming, love.
Papa, what is this? Papa, what is this?
Paano kasi mga tukunin sa lab, no? Kaya lang kuy daw.
Wow, ka-cute to.
Wow.
Singitan ninyo ba?
Takya kami na school on the tan exam diamon bunso. So espere lang kat kita ko na ele, no?
I want to see.
Alaman ako naton entraki.
I like this one.
Okay, pwede ka entra.
A few moments later.
So kami takad excited mga idol, no? Kami excited actually. Kami excited para na diamond hermana. So kaming ele, kaming ele. So syempre
Una-una yung kaya
wow. Di ba?
Where?
There. Na sige na, hinay na.
You go down na.
Sabi lil kotse.
No sabi?
No sabi ba? Wala. Sige na, doon binoysi. Doon. Sige na. Di ba?
Talaya,
Sino?
May matardagat sila.
It's okay. Tara, baba tayo. Baba.
Ako tingyo ba?
Congrats! Congrats, love!
You did it!
Wow!
sa IMTC.
Congrats.
Congrats! Loko na si Maya, oh. Kasi kat bad mood.
Yan, ano na no? Wow.
Bisa ba yung apply?
Malo, era dito kabesa.
Oo, taki kami yan. Sundo ko na diamond lovely, lovely sister, ah. Yan. Congrats, love. Alo, say congrats. Congrats.
Okay, you passed the board exam.
Yay. Let's claim it.
Exam is board.
Leave it to God. Leave it to God. At least kamo, ya.
Papa.
Amo sel feeling of success na after taking the board exam. Di ba? Oy. You say congratulations to ate.
I want to picture near the building.
Where?
Here.
Oo. So congratulations, love. Diba?
IMT next week.
Yeah, let's claim it. Let's claim it. Video. Say hi. Say congrats. Congrats. Say congrats, tita. Congrats. Few days more you'll be licensed RMT, no?
Registered na.
Wow. Here's our examinee. Our baby's happy.
Este bata.
Oh, our baby's happy for Tita. No, you're happy for Tita? Yeah, of course.
Ano sinali?
You're happy for Say congrats. Say congrats. Tita. Yan. How about you? What will you tell to Tita after taking the exam? Congrats.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Few days from now, you also be, di ba graduate kami?
April 12.
Congrats to everybody. How about you? Yeah. How about you? Do you have message? You want to say something? Say something. Say something. Say something na.
Ang machine yung ko sa apla, pero
say
pwede lang
something.
yung apla.
Again. Ito pa sa message.
Good luck.
Good luck. Love, congrats.
Let's see.
Simple salo-salo. Love. Love, okay ang love. Pwede ka to dormi ara?
April.
Hello, my baby sleeping already.